You just fired up Valorant, fingers twitching, ready to queue for a competitive match on the newly updated Sunset, only to be met with that dreaded connection error or an endless loading screen. The frustration is real. You've carved out time and you're busy. Skidoo may even got your squad ready, and now it feels like your perfectly planned session is crashing before it even begins. It's an all-too familiar punch to the gut for any dedicated agent, leaving you wondering if it's just your internet or if the Valorant servers themselves have decided to take an unexpected tea break. Don't worry, you're absolutely not alone in this digital purgatory. Today, we're digging deep into why Valorant might not be working, how to quickly check the server status, and all the essential troubleshooting steps you need to get back into the fight and clutch that round. First things first, before you start restarting your router for the 10th time, let's figure out if the problem is on your end or if it's a widespread server issue. Your go-to resources should always be the official Riot Game Service status page and the Valorant Twitter account. They're usually the first to report any major outages or scheduled maintenance. You can also quickly check community sites like Down Detector or Reddit's Valorant subreddit, where players are quick to report. If everyone's experiencing the same problem, this initial check will save you a lot of headache. If the servers look fine, the issue is likely closer to home. Start with the simplest fixes, a good old-fashioned restart of your Valorant client, and even your internet router. Sometimes the fresh connection is all it takes to clear up temporary glitches. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and that no other applications are hogging your bandwidth, especially if you're experiencing lag rather than a complete disconnection. Don't forget to check your firewall settings. Sometimes Windows Defender or a third-party antivirus can mistakenly block Valorant's connection. Still no luck. Let's get a bit more technical. Try flushing your cache by opening command prompt as an administrator and typing ipconfig flushes. This can resolve routing issues. Verifying the integrity of your game files through the Riot client is another crucial step, as corrupted files can cause all sorts of unexpected errors. In rare cases, if you suspect regional routing problems that might temporarily help you connect, but that's usually a last resort for very specific network issues. If you've tried all these steps and Valorant is still giving you grief, it might be time to accept that some problems are beyond immediate player fixes. Double-check those official Riot channels one last time for any late-breaking updates. If there's still no official word and you're truly isolated in your connectivity, was reaching out to Riot support with a detailed description of your issue and the steps you've taken is your next best bet. Sometimes the best solution is simply to step away for a bit and try again later, as server issues can resolve themselves.